I'd love to hear a little bit more about some, if you have any more interesting use cases for Open VSX or self-hosted marketplaces. What are you kind of seeing the future of the registry turn into?
I think the most important point is really the central registry being, well known, and I would like to make it very normal for extension developers to publish to the Microsoft Marketplace as well as
Mm-hmm.
to the OpenVSX Marketplace. So that is kind of the really most important goal. And then,
Yep.
yeah, I think there might be interesting use cases to have your own hosting internally in corporations, and you
Mm-hmm.
maybe use as a proxy or some sort of air gapped environment or so. I think that's interesting. Um, Not my you know strategic most important goal, but I think that's a nice synergetic thing that could happen. And I mean, with Gitpod, we also allow installing self-hosted in air-gap installation, and so that goes well together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I think the open VSX org registry, populating that with always up to date extensions. That's the most important goal here.